Hi everyone. Um, I got a little crazy, and since I'm 1990s kid, I want to try to daily drive 1990s car and to see if it's possible in these days to have a daily drive car from 90s or 80s, whatever. So that's what I got. I got little crazy here. Um, it's Cadillac Eldorado, 1996. And I live in Europe, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult with the parts, but I'm pretty ready for it. So I decided to do the channel about it, and hope you like it. Okay, my name is a little bit difficult to pronounce, so you can call me V, and it will be much more simple for you. Okay, so let's have a look what I just got. I did washed a little bit, okay, cleaned inside, but it's in pretty good shape. This car came from Switzerland. It's a European model. It has done 200,000 kilometers, which is about 170, 160 miles, I think. Not really sure. I will have a look. Car itself is in really good shape. Of course, it has to be, some job has to be done, but here is paint faded a little bit. That's okay with me. I did clean inside a bit because this car was originally brought to Europe from Switzerland 6 years ago with overheated engine, of course, and the owner put another engine with 60,000 miles, so it should be okay now. It has some fake wood which I already removed from radio, but I'm gonna remove from here and whatever. I'm gonna keep this car as original as possible. I'm not sure about the wheels. Maybe we will upgrade it a little bit to have more joy in these days, but yeah, that's what I got, and we'll see. Okay, so not much these cars is in Europe. I know you guys from US have a lot of them, but or maybe had a lot of them, but here in Europe it's pretty rare. Okay, so definitely we need polish, new tires, maybe bigger wheels. I'm not sure. If I'm gonna put the bigger wheels, I'm gonna put the 1990s style wheels. Okay. Inside I'm gonna keep original. If I will put something like a Bluetooth or a hands-free kit, it will be invisible. I'm gonna upgrade the speakers. It's gonna be invisible also. I'm gonna peel off the tint because I hate it. It's hillbilly style. Let's have a look under the hood. Okay. It's not cleaned here yet. These arms or arches or bones, whatever you call them, bushings, has to be replaced. I'm gonna replace everything with OEM parts what's related to the heating. Okay, so the water pump, the thermostat, all the bearings I'm gonna change. The fan motor I'm gonna put a new one, plugs, wires, and all the liquids, of course. First I'm gonna change the engine and gearbox oil with the filters. Okay, so So that's it for the moment. I got crazy. I'm so happy. Oh man. I already done with this car maybe 600 kilometers. It's driving really well. Of course, suspension needs some parts, but I'm really impressed how this old car actually drives, and I'm just loving it. Let's start it. Oh, sorry. Yep. Fuel gauge is not working. Few faults here. We're gonna have a look to this. Dashboard is a bit not straight, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. The seats has to be. It just needs a bit love. And the back of it is pretty cool, pretty okay. Everything is works. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Okay. Hope you enjoy it.